Here's how to download information from LexisNexis for your research project. I've started out by coming here to the Walker Library website, and I'm going to scroll down a bit and click on Databases A to Z. And once I'm there, I can find L here on the Select by Letter menu, L for LexisNexis, and that'll let me jump to the link to LexisNexis Academic right here. Click on that. All right, and because I'm doing this from off campus, I'm going to have to log in with my pipeline credentials. Mine are already in here. You might need to type yours in. All right, and here we are logged into LexisNexis. Now, probably the first thing you want to do is click this Power Search link here in the upper left corner. That gives you a few more options. And let's say we want to look at coverage of Herman Cain, a current president for the Republican nomination, a current Republican presidential nominee. And let's say I want to search for content about Herman Cain in Fox News. There are a couple of ways to find sources here, but I kind of like this Browse Sources link right here. Lets you see all of your options. All right. I'm going to choose News. This is where you find most news content, be it newspaper or a broadcast. If I were going to look at newspaper content, I could look right here under this link. I'm going to come over here to News Transcripts. This is where news broadcast transcripts are on LexisNexis. And scroll down through the list here until I find what I'm looking for, Fox News Network right here. Just check that, and then choose OK, Continue up here in the upper right corner. Okay, so I've told LexisNexis that I want to search Fox News content for Herman Cain. Notice I put Herman Cain in parentheses. That's a way of telling LexisNexis to keep those two words together during the search. The last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to limit my dates a little bit here. I'm going to choose this down menu here and choose Date is Between, so I can specify a beginning date and an ending date. Two little calendar icons pop up, one for the beginning and one for the end. And I'm going to go back a bit to October the 17th. This was the day that Herman Cain made his, his comment about an electrified fence. It was actually Saturday the 15th. I think it was. Here we are, Saturday the 15th of 2011. And let's go for about a week after he made the comment, the 15th. Let's go all the way to Sunday the 23rd. Okay, so I've now specified a time range of the content that I want to download. Everything's all set up. I've specified my source, what I want LexisNexis to look for, and in this case a date range, so I can choose Search. And LexisNexis goes and it searches Fox transcripts for transcripts that meet the criteria. It found 60 of them right here. I could look at them individually here, but what you might want to do instead is download them. Up here in the upper right corner, there's an icon that looks like a little 3.5 disc. And when I mouse over it, a little sign pops up that says Download Documents. So I'm going to click on that. All right, and I can just take all the defaults here, really. By default, it's going to save the information in a Word file, Microsoft Word. That's fine. It's going to do some other things here. I'm just going to go ahead and click Download. This step can take a few minutes. This one may not, because I've limited the content here quite a bit. There we go. It's formatting the document, and in just a minute here, there's a link to the document right there. What I think I'm going to do here is right-click on it and choose Save Link As. That'll allow me to download the link that's associated with that. Let's call this Herman Cain Fox, just like that, and then give it a doc extension, DOC, so that I can open it in Microsoft Word. Note where you're putting it. I'm putting in my Downloads directory right here on my computer, and choose Save. Okay, so now it's finished downloading. I could browse to it and have a look at it. On my computer, an easy way to do this is just to double click here in the Downloads window, and it'll automatically open Word, and there's the file. I might need to click this Enable Editing button so that I can do stuff with it. All right, so now I have all Fox News content for the time period specified that mentions Herman Cain. So that's how to download some information from Fox about a particular subject for a given time period.